Hey there. In this video, I wanted to share some resources which you can use to learn something new while you are at home. Whether you are a student learning from home or you are a professional working from home, you can use these resources to learn something new. So these are some of the platforms which you may know, but for most of you guys, it will be something new for you. So I assure you that this is not the regular ones like Udacity or Coursera or edX or something similar. Okay, so let's straight away dive into that.
So the first one from the list is Codecademy. So some of you might have heard about this platform. So this is one among the many amazing online learning platforms, but something which offers an unique learning experience through its interactive code grounds and similar stuffs. Okay, so let's look into that. So codecademy.com is the website. You can look over here. There's a lot of information provided regarding this website in this page. There's a lot of courses, so this thing can be accessed in three different ways. That is, if you're using a basic version, then you have some free courses available. Then if you are a pro user, then you'll be having access to a lot more courses with certification opportunities and a lot more features. Then if you are a team, then you can access the team content, that is Codecademy for teams. So in this, let's look at how you can utilize Codecademy during this time. So when you check out this particular link over here, you can see that Codecademy is providing free pro memberships for workers impacted by COVID-19. So earlier they used to provide free pro membership for students too. That is, they provided 100,000 plus pro membership for students. So now they are providing membership for workers, those who have been affected due to this pandemic. So yes, so they are planning to give away 100,000 plus pro memberships, and if you want one among them, you can apply for it using this apply now button over here. So it'll be taking you to a new page, and from there you can just proceed with filling a simple form, and then you can get access to it. Okay, so if you don't have a Codecademy account, you can just start it using your Google account or anything like that, and then you can apply for the scholarship, and you'll get access to the pro membership, using which you can learn a lot of stuffs, technical stuffs or technological stuffs from this platform, and it will be really interesting for you. Okay, so you can see some more details over here. The pro membership provides you members only content, step-by-step guidance, real world projects, community support, and a lot more. Okay, so there's a lot more you can find out from this website, and you can also check out their full catalog, using which you can find out if they have the course which you want to do. So here are some of the programming language you can learn from this, or you can opt some of the skill paths, that is code foundation, computer science, data science, web development, and more. And then there are others which are provided over here. So yes, I'll share the link to this particular page in the description. Okay, so let's move on. The second one is Upgrad. So Upgrad is yet another online learning platform. So this thing is an Indian version. So here they're also offering some free courses until 31st of July. So there's only 2 to 3 weeks remaining for you to get access to this. Okay, so here are some of the courses which they are offering for free for the time being. That is business analytics startup pack, then digital marketing, management essentials, Python, then Excel basics, introduction to machine learning, Java programming, data science, then media marketing, blockchain, then SQL programming, data science again, NLP and deep learning, Node.js, cracking the interview, that is interview preparation strategies and simulators, React, then again digital marketing, front-end web development or front-end development, and yes. So you can get access to these courses before July 31st, and then you can learn. And after finishing these courses, you will get access to you will be having a certificate of completion too. So if you want, you can register by clicking on any of these links, and if you have an account, you can just log in, or if you don't have one, you can just create a new account over here, and you can learn using this Upgrad. So that's regarding the second one. Then moving on to the third, so this thing is actually not really a course kind of thing, like the rest of them. So this is kind of a guide preparation book or something similar. So they're saying it's a course, okay, but actually these are code labs provided by Google. So this is regarding Android application development. You can access them at developer.android.com/courses. And this regarding Kotlin, then they're offering basics in Kotlin for the time being. Then there's some more advanced Kotlin. You'll be also redirected to Udacity website for some of them. And then comes the Android developer fundamentals using Java. Then again advanced Android development using Java, then pathways and many more. Okay, so you can actually get access to a lot of curated resources. That is Android, if you are a beginner in Android development, then you can use these 5 Udacity courses, which are totally amazing, superb courses, which you can get, which will be helpful to get you started with Android app development. Then there are a lot more which is provided over here, and you can definitely check them out at your own pace. So if you want, you can just click on start course over here, then you'll be taken to this code lab. Obviously you can access these at codelabs.developers.google.com, and from then you can click on next, and here you'll be seeing the course content. If you select the first one, you'll be taken to the developer code lab for that particular one, and you can finish them as per your convenience. So yeah, so that's regarding the Android app development put forward by Google. Then next one is Great Learning Academy. Okay, so Great Learning is yet another online version of learning, and here you can find a lot of upcoming live sessions which you can use to clear your doubts, so learn something new from experts through YouTube live sessions, so Zoom sessions and all. And along with that, you can also find a lot of free courses over here. So some of them are Python, as you can see over here, machine learning, cloud, then there are a lot of them over here, data science, then machine learning, artificial intelligence, IT and software. Inside them you can find a lot of stuffs. Data structures and algorithms in Java, it's kind of an online session. Then full stack development for 8 hours, then Java programming, and you can also find some content in another language, that is Hindi too. Then here comes cyber security, then introduction to programming, front-end development, blockchain, C++, and many more. There are also other courses listed in each of these sections, and you can obviously find one for your own from this thing. So that's regarding Great Learning Academy, and that was 4th from our list. Then we are going to the final one, that is educative.io. So Educative is one of an amazing platform which provides you learning content. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. So here we'll be discussing about 2 scholarships provided by Educative. Okay, so in this Educative you can find a lot of courses in this. So for the time being, let's go with the 2 scholarships which they're offering. So here's the first one, that is educative.io COVID scholarship. So in this scholarship will give you access to this front-end developer track, which is worth over $100 and $115 to be exact. So if you want, you can just click on claim scholarship, and that's it, you'll be getting access to it. If you don't have an account, you can create one, you can join for free, or else you can log in and then select claim scholarship button over here. So there's some more things which you can learn, read over here, so you will be getting a good idea about what this thing is. So yeah, that's regarding the front end. So this is kind of this is the stuff which I mentioned earlier. So there'll be some text over here related to the topic which you'll be studying, and then you can try it out then and there itself. So this thing is really amazing, so just try it out and you'll also feel the same. Okay, so this thing is front-end developer track. So let's just briefly check what's included within that front-end developer track. So inside this you can find a $49 worth course, currently at $3. That is web development, then HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So this thing is available for $0 for the time being. this individual course. Okay, this is advanced css, complete advanced css, then javascript course, then intermediate javascript, and then complete guide to launching your website. So actually each of these courses are for $49, and for the time being they are offering discounts, and that's the reason why this price is reduced for the time being. But if you claim this scholarship, you'll be getting access to this 6 courses for free. Okay, so yeah, that's regarding this. So the next one is machine learning engineer scholarship track. So here they are telling that they are offering this to 1000 learners, but obviously it will be around 1000 to 2000 scholarships. So here also it's the same. After creating an account or logging into it, you can claim, click on the claim scholarship button over here to get access to it. Okay, so there are some more things which you can read over here to get a clear access to what this thing is really about. And yes, so yeah, that's regarding this educative courses too.
So these were some of the few resources which I wanted to share with you for the time being, but obviously there are a lot more resources available for you to grab. So make sure you are grabbing these opportunities before they are gone, and try to make use of that as much as possible. Also, you can search for a lot of them, like a lot more of the learning resources apart from this. Okay, and obviously Google itself is a teacher for most of us. So yes, that's all for this video. Signing off.